How to mute someone's calls on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to mute someone's calls on WhatsApp. So to get started, go ahead and open WhatsApp into your device and then go ahead and click on the three dots icon at the top right of your screen. So under that, you'll be able to find the settings button. So click on this three dots button and then click on settings. Now in here, head over into the privacy tab and then head over into the calls tab. So go ahead and click on this and make sure to enable silence unknown caller. So this will allow you to block all incoming calls from unknown numbers on your device. Now, if you want to block a specific individual, head over into the contacts tab and then click on block contacts and then click on this plus icon at the top right to block a specific contact into your account. And that is how you can basically mute someone's calls on WhatsApp.